Hey everybody, Rob here for Southwest Florida Television. A lot of you have been curious as to what is going on with Delnor-Wiggins Pass State Park and why is it taking so long to reopen. Well, here's one of the reasons. This is down at the south end of the park. What they're doing is, you see this big track hoe, it is digging a trench. It's basically digging all of the contaminated sand that's full of debris and who knows what else. They're going down a couple of feet. They're scooping the sand up, putting it into this big earth mover. And then this earth mover takes it up to the beach where they have a sifter. It sifts all the debris out. Then the dump truck picks up a load of sand, clean sand that's already been sifted, and brings it back down to the end of the beach and dumps it in the trench. It then goes back, picks up another load of dirty sand, and so on and so forth. The process continues. While the truck is taking the sand up to the sifter, the backhoe levels out the piles of sand, filling the trench. They're going to go all the way up the beach doing this. So be patient. It's going to take some time. Be patient, my friends. Hey, thanks for watching. Tally ho, tally ho. For Southwest Florida Television, I'm Rob Stan. God bless.